Are you tired of constantly struggling to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, what if we told you there is a solution that not only helps with weight loss but also improves your overall wellness? That solution is yoga. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of yoga for weight loss and wellness. We'll discuss the science behind it, different types of yoga that are great for weight loss, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Now, before you start rolling your eyes and thinking, "Oh, yoga is just for people who want to stretch and relax," think again. Yoga is an amazing tool for weight loss and improving your overall wellness. Firstly, let's dive into the science behind how yoga can help with weight loss. When you practice yoga, you are moving your body in different poses that require strength, balance, and flexibility. These movements help to activate and engage different muscle groups in your body, which in turn boosts your metabolism. This increased metabolic rate allows your body to burn calories more efficiently, helping you to shed those unwanted pounds. In addition to boosting your metabolism, yoga can also help with weight loss by reducing stress. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to weight gain, particularly in the belly area. Yoga helps to reduce stress by calming the mind and body. When you're practicing yoga, you're focusing on your breath, which helps to slow down your heart rate and lower your cortisol levels. This reduction in stress can help you to lose weight and keep it off. Furthermore, yoga helps with weight loss by promoting mindfulness. When you're practicing yoga, you're in the present moment, focusing on your breath and the movements of your body. This mindfulness helps to prevent overeating and emotional eating, which can often be the cause of weight gain. By practicing yoga regularly, you'll become more in tune with your body and more aware of your eating habits, leading to a healthier relationship with food and weight loss. But the benefits of yoga don't stop there. Yoga is also incredibly beneficial for overall wellness. Firstly, yoga helps to improve flexibility and mobility. When you practice yoga, you're moving your body in different directions, which helps to improve your flexibility and mobility. This can lead to better posture, reduced back pain, and improved overall mobility. Secondly, yoga helps to improve strength and balance. As mentioned earlier, yoga requires strength and balance to hold different poses. By practicing yoga regularly, you'll improve your strength and balance, which can help to prevent falls and injuries as you age. Thirdly, yoga helps to improve mental health. When you're practicing yoga, you're focusing on your breath and the movements of your body, which can help to quiet the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. This can lead to improved mental health and overall well-being. Now that we've discussed the benefits of yoga for weight loss and wellness, let's talk about different types of yoga that are great for weight loss. One type of yoga that's great for weight loss is vinyasa flow. Vinyasa flow is a type of yoga that involves moving through different poses in a fluid, flowing sequence. This type of yoga is great for weight loss because it's a cardiovascular workout that gets your heart rate up and burns calories. Another type of yoga that's great for weight loss is power yoga. Power yoga is a more intense form of yoga that focuses on building strength and endurance. This type of yoga is great for weight loss because it helps to build lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and burns more calories. Finally, let's talk about how you can incorporate yoga into your daily routine. One way to incorporate yoga into your daily routine is by starting with just a few minutes a day. You don't have to dedicate hours to a yoga practice to see the benefits. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. You can start with simple poses like downward dog, child's pose, and tree pose. As you become more comfortable, you can add more poses to your practice. Another way to incorporate yoga into your daily routine is by finding a class or instructor that you enjoy. Whether it's in person or online, finding a class that you look forward to attending can help you stay motivated and consistent with your practice. It's also important to remember that yoga is not just a physical practice, but a mental one as well. Don't focus too much on achieving the perfect pose or getting a workout. Instead, focus on being present and mindful during your practice. Listen to your body and honor where you're at in your practice. In conclusion, yoga is an amazing tool for weight loss and overall wellness. By boosting your metabolism, reducing stress, and promoting mindfulness, yoga can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. With different types of yoga to choose from and a variety of ways to incorporate it into your daily routine, there's no reason not to give it a try. So, roll out your mat and start experiencing the benefits of yoga for yourself.